Okay, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to do a magic circle. This will come in handy if you want to do something in the round, or even if you want to do a granny square, you'll probably want to use this. Let me get one and show you. I'm working on a whip. There's a bunch of really large granny squares, but at the center of each granny square, very center, right? Let me see. Yeah, right there is a magic circle. Come at it from the other direction. There it is. So even if you're doing something in the square or the round, the magic circle will come in handy. Put this over here. Now the way I usually do my magic circle is similar to how I do my slip knots. I just add on an extra loop on my finger and it works. But there are different ways to do a magic circle. But this is how I do mine. You don't gotta do yours like mine. It's just as long as you get it done and you can use it. So I'm gonna go around my finger 1, 2, 3 times. Now I'm gonna slide my hook underneath if I don't do it too tight. And see how it's one of those? But I'm gonna pull through this one. Now, in order for this to work, I'm gonna have to move my finger and I'm gonna have to anchor that circle. There you go, right there. And if I'm doing a round of double crochets, I do it too. And then you just go back into the center of the circle and make your stitch. Okay, I'm leaving it loose because I want you to see everything I'm doing. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, go down the center, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Once I go around, I'm going to go around 12 times just for demonstration purposes. I'll be back. Okay, I'm at 10 double crochets. And it doesn't have to be double crochets, that's just a stitch I'm using to demonstrate how the circle works. Okay, the tail end can be caught up now, but it doesn't have to be. And that's 12. Okay, see this big old gaping hole? There's nothing magic about that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull, and that's going to shut the hole completely. And if you have trouble with it, there it goes. Get that give. It's completely closed. And I can continue to crochet my rounds. Neat, huh? Very handy tool to have in your crochet arsenal. Magic circle. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate how to do the chain circle. Now, if you've seen lesson number 4, I showed you how to do a slip knot and a chain. This is going to be like part of that, so it's sort of a review. I do a slip knot and go around twice. Gonna pull over and gonna pull through it and make our loop. Now we're gonna tighten the loop to the hook, but not that tight. Okay, well, move him out the way because that just get on my nerves. Let's see. Gonna yarn over 1, yarn over 2, 3, 4. And see this loop right up here on the top? We're going to insert our hook there. Pull through, pull through. There you go. Now don't get confused and try to make everything into this stitch right here. Open it up and find your hole, and there's your hole. Now I'm going to yarn over and put our hook through, make our stitch. There. Things are always cumbersome when there's not much work on the hook, but you'll get used to that. Go in the center, pull through, pull through, go in the center, yarn over, pull through, pull through. I'm going to do 12 in this center, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, and we're at 11 double crochets going around the chain circle. Do one more. 12. Now it doesn't have to be 12, just however many number you want to be in the chain circle, that's fine. Whatever stitch you want, that's fine. Okay, this is going to be in there. There's no way to close that, but it's not a gaping, big giant gaping hole. And if you can get it to work with less than 4 chains in the circle, by all means do so, because it'll just make the hole smaller. But there you have it. Now when we get into making hats and beanies and stuff, I'll show you how to jump up on the next round. But this is how you do a chain circle.